Hi everyone, welcome to Simply Organized. Getting your home organized and keeping it that way is not an easy task. But most of us tend to make the same mistake again and again when organizing our homes. So, in today's video, let's talk about 5 reasons why you are failing to get your homes organized. Since many of us leading busy lives, we think of organizing our home only when we have adequate time. But organized home is a big time saver. So you can spend less time putting things away and find things easily in their correct home. Proper organization means less cleaning and less stressful life. The best way to overcome this problem is to simply make organizing a top priority, whether that is organizing a small room or a small space. Organizing any space should come after decluttering or purging. Just think how many times we keep items that we no longer needed, like cardboard boxes, stretched out hairbands, expired medicines, and so much more. Getting these things out of the home allows you to organize the space in a better way. Before you start organizing any space, you need to make a plan how you want the space to be turned out. Without a proper plan, you may end up buying organizers that are not right for the space. Make a list of organizers you need, such as drawer dividers, types of storage containers, and other items that will fit into the space. It helps you divide and organize that area in a much efficient way. Many people feel that they should start with the largest organizing project first. But a big project can quickly become overwhelming and make you give up before you start. So you better start with the smallest organizing project first. Or at least try to simplify that big task into few smaller tasks so that you're much more likely to finish it. When it comes to organizing, one size doesn't fit all. For example, I like to keep everything inside the drawers or behind the doors. But my husband is a visual person and would like to keep his stuff easily accessible without the hassle of searching for it. So to avoid your organizational efforts go waste, take help or at least know how your family members want their stuff to be organized. This way, your organizational efforts will last very long. One problem many people have with organizing is they simply don't know how to start. Just keep in mind that getting your home organized takes some effort and practice. So take it one step at a time and you'll continue to learn every time you tackle a new project. I hope you found this video helpful and subscribe to my channel for such more videos. Thank you for watching.